Hey guys, we're gonna make hot chocolate today, and we're hoping to make the world's best hot chocolate, hence the title of the video. I found a recipe called the world's best hot chocolate, and then we're gonna also make it with oat milk to see if that's better or not.
Also, we thought it would be fun to add a little fun ingredients to our hot chocolate, see what we think is best. It's stuff we found online that people like in their hot chocolate, and also things we used to add to our hot chocolate in our childhood. So you'll get to see more about what we're gonna add.
And we're cozy because whenever you drink hot chocolate, you want to be cozy, and it's usually cold outside, and so
We're wearing our comfy clothes.
Yeah, so make your hot chocolate in comfy clothes.
Yes.
Makes it more fun. Also, we'd like to introduce a guest. The first guest to our channel is our brother Anderson. Our mom had a boy.
Favorite child right here, guys. Favorite right here.
He is not going to be helping with making things because he's lame, but he did agree to help us taste test. So he will be giving his opinion on if it's truly the world's greatest hot chocolate. All right, guys, Maddie, get in here. I'm going to be telling you the ingredients for the world's greatest. Is that what it's called?
No, the world's best hot chocolate.
The world's best hot chocolate. All right, here we go.
you wrote that intro.
Maddie, this is called
It's
authenticity. This is authentic.
genuine.
All right.
Okay, first ingredient, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Second ingredient, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, we need a 1/3 cup of water. Okay, a 1/3 cup of water, 4 cups of whole milk. Wow, this sucker's heavy. You gotta get them muscles to lift this.
And the alternative
And then the alternative, vegan-friendly Chobani oat milk. We are not sponsored. Last but not least, 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
What's the first thing that we do?
So the first thing that we're gonna do is, in a saucepan, mix the dry ingredients. So we're gonna mix the cocoa powder, the salt, and the sugar into a saucepan.
1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa.
Sponsor us, Hershey. I got it. I got it. 1/2 cup of sugar.
That is so bad.
We're using a 1/4 teaspoon, so we're gonna do 2 of these.
Yeah,
One.
so 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But if you are using a 4,
Oh,
we don't want salty
hot
chocolate.
Oh.
Okay, our dry ingredients are in the
Oh,
saucepan. So we have our cocoa powder, our sugar, and our salt. We've been getting very distracted. We're on this. Now we're gonna add water and bring it to a boil and keep boiling for 1 minute. So we have our 1/3
Wait,
cup
we
of
didn't
water.
mix this yet, though. Should I get a fork and mix it?
Yeah, why don't we do that? We're gonna put a 1/3 cup of water up in here, up in this joint.
So I turn it on high?
That just doesn't seem like enough water.
Well, we add milk. Milk is the...
Once it's to a boil,
Once you have it boiling, you let it boil for 1 whole minute.
One minute?
well, it's starting
It's
to
about
look.
to start bubbling.
What?
It smells like Hershey's
It is
chocolate.
not about to start bubbling. Put your hands
Are we at
Look
milk?
at it. Look at it bubbling.
It is. It's
Hershey's chocolate. Hershey. How does that sound?
That's not how that goes.
Sing it, sing it.
Cow
Sing the
sing.
cow
We
sing.
can't- We can't.
Have you all been to Hershey Park? Answer in the comments if you've been to Hershey Park Chocolate World. Because this is what it smells like. That's how the
See,
cow
for some reason, I just want to sing, and there's no place like home for the.
Okay, do you want to tell us why your voice sounds like this?
Honestly, guys, I don't know. One day I woke up and I sounded like this, and let's hope one day I wake up and I sound normal again.
It's time for the fun fact.
Fun fact
Guess-
time. Fun fact.
Guess who were the first people to... Ah, it's boiling! to make hot chocolate.
The Greeks.
That's wrong.
The Pennsylvanians.
No, but they should have.
Yes.
Christopher Columbus.
No.
Us.
Okay, you know who actually did it? The Mayans.
Who'd have thought?
Your mom.
Like a long time ago. I can't remember what year it was. But they made it with chili powder. We're not doing that today.
Now we're gonna add the milk. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here.
Oh my god. Just stay calm.
Add the water.
Add the
No.
milk.
Keep boiling for 1 minute and then add milk.
We are gonna add 4 cups of milk now.
4. Okay, so now once it's heating to a temp that like we prefer to drink it at, you take it off the heat You add the vanilla and you stir and you drink it. Like that was so easy. It literally took us like 2 minutes. Maybe 3.
But we have a twist. We have a twist.
Yeah. So why don't you tell them?
We're gonna put in things that you wouldn't normally put in your hot chocolate because we thought that would be interesting. The first weird thing that we're gonna try putting in our hot chocolate is
Mint.
fresh mint leaves.
Oh, what fun.
The second thing is toast with butter on it. We're gonna dip that in our hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
I thought it was gonna be French toast.
What she was trying to say is that when we were children, our mother would give us toast
With butter.
with butter.
For Christmas.
And we would dunk it in our hot chocolate.
And it was very delicious to us.
Yeah,
We
actually
liked it.
very surprising. I don't know if that's normal for y'all out there. Let us
Let us know in the
know.
comments.
But we wanted you to learn about it.
Yeah. The third thing we're gonna add that we heard might be interesting to add to hot chocolate is some chai tea.
Because I absolutely adore chai.
Not really high
It's
hopes
not
for this one.
their
When you
thing,
think
but
of chai,
I have-
think of Lauren.
high votes for chai.
Lauren. Chai. Lauren.
I think the chocolate is warm.
Wait, we have one more thing.
Oh,
Candy cane. Do you know if you do this, it's like a heart?
wow.
Fun fact that a kindergarten teacher would know. We feel that the hot chocolate is at a temperature that we would like to drink. So next we add vanilla.
1 teaspoon. That's
Should we look at the recipe?
I have to
Maybe.
open it. 1 moment, please.
I didn't say tablespoon.
half
I
a
said
teaspoon.
teaspoon. And I was correct. 1 teaspoon. We're doing 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And stir.
Well, I guess you need at least 4 cups because of each different topping.
I just thought we would like refill it. You're right. We should, I'm just gonna fill up all the Korean's party at Christmas next month. And then you play Christmas music on the video. In our previous video, which I'm gonna link right here, we did not put butter on our banana bread. So we are gonna put it on our toast because that is a must.
So we have 2 versions of hot chocolate now. The one that we made with you and the same thing but made with oat milk because we like oat milk right now. So we want to see which one we like better. So, taste testers, they're going to close their eyes because they do look different. The milks. So, we're going to have them blindfully taste these and see which one they genuinely like better. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
They will all 3 drink of the same one. They will not know which is which. Be warned, it's a little hot, so just, you know. Dip it a little.
Oh, I'm scared. It's so hot.
Don't say. Take one.
I'm so scared.
After this.
Can I please open my eyes?
It
I'm
tastes
so
very
scared.
good.
Yeah, I don't like
Okay,
this.
so that was the first one.
Okay.
Oh wait, do I go?
Yeah, keep going. Just go. We're gonna make this a fast process.
Oh, it's very hot.
Okay. Am I getting past something?
Just wait, not yet.
Anderson.
I know what that one is.
Oh.
I mean, no, you're not
That first
gonna
one?
everybody's.
Oh.
The first one's like it came out.
Oh.
The first one what?
The first one's like it came out of the bag. The second one?
Okay, at the same time,
That's a good
at
one.
the same time, you all put up which number you like better. 1, 2. You actually have your eyes open.
Oh, sorry.
1, 1, 2, 3. 2. Number 2 was oat milk.
It has much. I honestly
You could
don't
tell.
like number 1
you guys
that
know
much.
Yeah, sponsor us.
I mean, I like both.
I can kind of tell because like
but
I.
oat milk gives it more of like a.
It also has like a
Oat milk is
creamier.
very rich.
It just has a better
Chobani, you make
flavor.
very good oat milk
Yeah.
at Chobani.
Go get Chobani.
Okay, now let's see
guys.
what things you like in it.
Yeah. So let's. Can we do it with the oat milk one though?
Yeah, since we like that one better.
Yeah, guys, I would definitely say
Make
I
your-
don't love it with the whole milk. I wouldn't say it's the world's greatest hot chocolate. I've had better hot chocolate, but with the oat milk, very good. That's
Make
what I'm
your
saying.
hot chocolate with oat milk.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
So do I just like throw these in here?
I
right, but
That was a mom move. That was a mom move. Say what to do after.
I wasn't
Yeah.
sure. Let's just go.
Okay, alright, we're done.
She stopped a long time ago.
And Megan, remember that one time you had your
Okay, so we chose to go with oat milk since that was all of our favorites, but now we have all of our little toppings. So we're gonna try it, give a one-word description, pass it down.
Oh, you're drinking it?
okay, you go.
That's not a word.
Do they know this is mint?
I literally can't taste it.
I know.
I mean,
I know, same. I don't know what word.
without.
Mint question mark?
Pretty solid.
Literally one word.
Oh,
Should we
solid, solid.
right?
Childhood.
I knew somebody was gonna say that. I knew somebody was gonna be so cheesy and say that, and I knew it was gonna be
Of course,
that.
it was Maddie.
Oh, yum. Word.
Is that your word?
Salty.
Great.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm scared about this one. I'm scared.
Mix it around, mix it around.
Say your one word is fear.
Christmassy.
Spice.
Lauren.
Lauren. Chai. Lauren.
Starbucks.
Oh,
What from Starbucks?
Chai
latte. Oat milk.
All right,
What?
this is gonna be my fave.
Maddie, say a word.
Fresh. It's very good.
Wintry. I like it.
Cozy.
Candyland.
Favorite was candy cane.
Favorite was toast. Toast.
Toast.
What would also work fine is marshmallow.
Just put marshmallows in your hot chocolate.
All right, now what? Let's clean this up.